How to link Printify to Squarespace. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wanted to sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs or hoodies directly from your own website without keeping any inventory, this video is for you. Now today I will show you how to connect Printify to your Squarespace store step by step. We will cover everything what Printify is and why it is useful, how Squarespace work for selling online, and how linked both can automate your print on demand business. Now, first thing first, what is Printify and why connect it to Squarespace? Now, first let me explain this. Printify is a print on demand platform. It allows you to design products like t-shirts, mugs, phone, and more. And when someone ordered from your store, Printify prints and ships the product for you. No need to hold inventory or ship anything yourself. Now, what about Squarespace? Squarespace is a website builder that also lets you to run online store. It is perfect if you want a beautiful all-in-one website and e-commerce platform. By connecting Printify and Squarespace, your custom designed product on can appear in your Squarespace store automatically, and anytime someone buys, Printify handles everything behind the scene. It is super useful, especially if you are solo creator or small business owner. So first thing first, what you have to do, make sure you have account on the both platform. First, which is on the Printify. To log in, you have to just simply go into printify.com and then hit enter, and something will pop up like this, and just simply click on the get started for free. It will ask you about your email and some personal details. You have to provide it and you are good to go with Printify. Now if you talk about the Squarespace, just simply click on the get started and it will ask you to log in with the Gmail, which I have already did it. Now as you can see here, this is my basic website. If you see, this is my uh, website which I have chosen by default. Now you need e-commerce plan on a Squarespace to connect third-party services like Printify. Now I am already on the trial of 14 days, so upgrade now to get most of your sites. Now if you want to try it this, you can just simply buy a 14 days plan, 14 days trial plan. Now what you have to do, go your Printify dashboard. Simply, as you can see here, go to the menu and click on the manage stores. If you don't find the manage store, what you can do is just simply click on the maker store and make a store. For example, this is your store name, or you can create a new store as well. If you are new, simply click over here and click on the Squarespace, and what it will do, it will just simply, you can allow this connecting Printify. Now if you haven't added or created a Printify store, so what you can do is just simply go into your Squarespace. Like if you haven't created any account or any store or Printify, what you can do in that case, just simply click on it, go to Squarespace dashboard, click on the setting and go to third-party tools. Now click in it. Now discover and manage third-party applications or connect account. Connect, manage social account and third-party services. Now what you have to do is just simply click on the extension and then search for Printify. As you can see here, there we go. There is a Printify option. Just simply click on it and click on the connect. Now it will redirect to a Printify account. Now you have to give the store name maker store. Just simply click on the connect. It will take you to login page of Printify. Click on the allow and then it will connect. Now great, now the time is to publish. Now if you have a product already which is made in Printify, just simply, for example, I have made a product. Okay, I have to made it again, so just simply click on the publish product. If you haven't created a product, what you can do is just simply now over here seeing please create a Squarespace store page to connect publishing products. Just simply go to Squarespace and it will now select the website, go to website. Before creating a product, what you can do is just go into Squarespace and create a product publishing page. Now if you don't want to do that, what you can do is just simply come over here and see we have successfully connected Squarespace to Printify. Now let's just create a new product to check if it is working or not. Just simply click on the create product, or what you can do is just simply go into catalog and just click on the coffee. I will choose, now let's choose something, this one. So this is a template, and if you want to design it, just simply click on the start design. Now over here you can start designing. Now I will not do anything that, for example, I will just upload a photo, this one, just for fun. Don't you have to, I mean, like, you have to make sure that you are putting right images, right text. Just simply click on save product. So we have created this example product over here. After doing all of the things, this is just for example and the further tutorial. So what you have to do is just simply click on the save product, and it will look like this one. If you want to upload your own mockups, you can upload it. Now here we go. This is it will look like, and just simply you can add title, you can add the description as well. You can change the description. Now if you want to personalize it, you can just enable it. Now for example, the production cost is $15 and the buyer shipping cost is $7.59. It is standard. Now total cost will be $26. Now if you want to hide the in a store, you can hide it. Now these are some settings you can do with this uh, product. Now just simply click on the publish, and it will, so use the same product, amazing work, the most successful shop have 10 more products, keep creating. So we have created a product. Now explore Printify choice, use the same product, and just simply click on the close and go to my products. Now as you can see here, we have successfully published our product. Now let's go to our site. Now in the product and services, go into products. Something will look like over here. So as you can see here, after connecting the product, after connecting Printify with Squarespace, so whenever you create a new product into this maker store, which is Squarespace, it will add over here. Now if you go into website, you can add that product into your website. Just do things. Now go into product and services, see products. From here you can manage all your products. So that's it. This is how you can connect Squarespace with Printify. And if you already log in, just simply click on the Squarespace. It will connect Printify with Squarespace. So yeah, that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.